Hey guys, it's Phil, and I cannot wait for you to watch the Arai XD5 video that I've put together for you. First things first, this Arai XD5 that I have in the video that I have on the desk here next to me is an amazing helmet that replaces the Arai XD4 over my shoulder. Arai Americas did send me this helmet to ride in while in Africa, in Namibia, Africa. You'll see a little bit of clips from that in this video. Look, these are thoughts and opinions on this helmet are my own. This is not meant to be some sort of Arai XD5 commercial. Everything you hear me talk about in this video is how I feel about the helmet. Number two, Foothills Motorcycles in Lakewood, Colorado. You see it on my shirt. You're going to see me wearing various GoPros or stuff on the helmet. They have supplied those to me, as well as the Cardo unit that's on the helmet. So I had to send them a shout out and say, thanks guys for providing the tools that allow me to do what I do. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Are you in the market for a helmet? Do you think you want an Arai? Or are you wearing something else? All right, enjoy, guys. Imagine you're on an epic adventure, blasting through your local roads and trails back at home, or even traversing the rugged terrains of Africa. Your helmet just isn't a piece of gear, it's your lifeline. Today, we're diving into one of the best in the market, the Arai XD5 Adventure / multi-purpose helmet. The XD5 is a top-tier helmet built for serious adventurers. I've worn it exclusively for this season here in Colorado and halfway around the world, riding through and sometimes crashing in the harshest of conditions in Namibia, Africa. This helmet is by far the best one I've owned in over 25 years of riding motorcycles, so allow me to showcase why you should consider the XD5 for your own needs. All right, follow me on this, ladies and gentlemen. Rule 1 is always look cool. Rule 2 states, see Rule 1. First off, the design of the XD5. Sleek, modern, and available in a range of colors. I just happen to like black. It's not just about the looks. It's about making a statement. This helmet looks as good as it feels, and people are shelling out big cash for helmets like these. As such, you'd better believe that fashionable, aesthetically pleasing, and adherence to Rule 1, which I just mentioned, most definitely comes into play when designing these beautiful helmets. As the old saying goes, people eat with their eyes first. Comfort is king, especially on long rides. Who's with me on that one? Could you ride a 50cc scooter around the world? Absolutely. Would you want to? Absolutely not. In the same respect, the XD5 features an ergonomic fit and premium padding that make hours on the road feel like minutes. Okay, maybe not minutes, but the damn thing feels good on my head for a long time. If you're just popping off to the local coffee shop once a month for an hour, maybe any old helmet will do. If you plan on putting in serious time in the saddle in various weather conditions, you're going to need some comfort. Comfort is typically a byproduct of quality, and delivering quality consistently comes at a price. Who knew? In my opinion, the XD5 is well worth that price of admission. I have and continue to wear this helmet for hours on end, often in stifling conditions with very little in the way of discomfort. This helmet is packed with usable features, from excellent ventilation that keeps you cool, with a chin vent or curtain that flows 200% more air than my previous XD4, to my favorite. Arai has recognized that many of us run intercom units and are tired of modifying things in our helmets and taping wires to the inside of the shell to make it work. The XD5 has designated speaker cubbies for cheek pads, which make integrating a, say, Cardo unit a seamless experience, as well as, check this out, a very cool wire pocket in the neck roll, which allows you to stuff your extra cable inside of it. Arai, someone deserves a promotion for that innovation. Did I mention the Max Vision visor? What an improvement over the XD4, with a very large field of view and absolutely no distortion. I literally have all the view I could ever need while riding with this helmet on. Lest we forget wind noise, which is often referenced as a make or break for helmet design. The design of the new Peak, as opposed to the XD4, has a greater aerodynamic efficiency, which equals less wind noise. Final thoughts on features? Wow. And that's a WOW. It is much easier to pull the Peak off and swap shields. Arai have gotten this part right, and I am super thankful for it. You know, I never did swap the shield. Well, actually the first time on my XD4, and never touched it again because I didn't like it. The new XD5, super awesome. Cleaning and maintaining this helmet is a breeze. It's safe to say that when I got back from riding in Africa, The helmet looked as if I had lived multiple lives as a Star Wars fighter pilot on some distant moon, maybe with no canopy. It was disgusting. I even made a video of the entire cleaning process, which I'll link to as well. Bottom line, the removable liners and easy to clean surfaces mean more time riding and less time worrying about upkeep. In the end, and it all comes down to this, the XD5 is more than just a helmet. It's an investment in safety, comfort, and performance. And of course, adherence to Rule 1, always looking cool. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned adventurer, this helmet has got you covered, quite literally. What do you currently ride with, and what are your thoughts on helmets in general? Let me know in the comments section, and as always, don't forget to do the things like subscribe and all the other stuff that support this channel. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.